Welcome back, plumbing fans. We're here again in the Pipe Doctor Boneyard. Today we're going to be checking out water heaters. Oh, this is a classic. We have a 17-year-old model. And today we're going to find out just why you would like to have a whole house filtration system installed in your home. For today, we cut open this water heater to show what kind of sediments build up and collect in your heater over time. Now, over the life of this heater, cold water has come in directly from the main and flowed directly into this heater where it's heated up. As we heat up our water, minerals fall out from the water and have a tendency to collect on the bottom of the heater. This is why it's always important to flush and drain your water heater annually to make sure you get rid of all that sediment. Now, let's take a look at when a homeowner does not flush their heater and does not have a filtration system. Ooh, look at all that sediment, all that debris. All this builds up over time, and that is in your drinking water. This is what you are washing your body with when you are in the shower. Now, as you can see from the size of all these chunks in here, this stuff is not going to flush out with a hose from this tiny little drain on the bottom. This is something that builds up over time, and without a proper whole house filtration system, this is what we get. Now, if this customer did want to avoid this situation, they could have installed a whole house filtration system like produced by Lancaster. Lancaster makes a wonderful system which will clean your house, is completely maintenance free as it has its own backwashing system built into it, and we will not be dealing with this, and you will not be trying to wash your body and get clean with all that debris. Looking for one of these filtration systems so you do not have to suffer with this kind of water quality in your home, please contact the Pipe Doctor. Thank you. Have a great day.